last one for Coach.
Coach, I realize your team created, I think, as many as 6 chances, especially in the first half. But then they failed to utilize it, getting only 1, which I even think the goal itself, the way a manner it got into the net wasn't a convincing one. But then it's a goal though, considering the kind of chances you created before getting that goal. Would you say in the first 45 combined with the other second half, you are disappointed with how your team is failing to convert 8 chances?
I'm not disappointed. Like you rightly said, we had many chances. But the most important thing is we've gotten the 3 points. Okay. Last Tuesday, we scored 4. So it's a process. Gradually it will come.
How well did you study Bekum Chelsea team? Because I realized they were failing to push more men up front. And I don't know how you structured in the midfield to contain them. Yeah, if you can share with us how you did it.
Yeah, for some time now, Bekum Chelsea have been playing well. It's not like previous when they all only go for the long ones. But this time they play good football. If you follow them, you can see that they have decent results. But we really structured. We know they have, we studied them, our video guys gave us their weak points and we say where we can hit them. And if you can see, their fullbacks always go, especially the right side. So you will see that we're using them more.
Okay.
The quote competitions
don't go far, but no comment on that.
Oh,
can you give us an update on the injury situation? Because Agyapong is not playing, Ocloo is not playing, Mfegue is not playing. The injury situation at the team.
Yeah, last week they were injured, but this week they worked very well. Even this morning, we worked before coming to play this match. So it's only, let me say, Samuel, Shoulder, and Bernard, and who is Richmond also. They are not injured, but the rest are okay.
So your message to the fans on Sunday, Kemi?
Yeah, I think they have been special to us during all these hard times. They were still rooting for us, and we appreciate it. We appreciate it. They should come on Sunday and support the boys. They will deliver. We really.
Thankfully, against the non-city, so sign an opportunity. But the new thing is when you're 19 minutes, team men are back-to-back wins. Send a who as a person, who feel then a who players in guys and maybe I anybody come after the game. You were eager, when I'm moving to drum one and I'm over. Send a who person who feel then a team in the house. Send a who feel it's a
okay, personally, me is a send you see a kind of a man. I mean, Bobina now team no, and your man call ye and Martin now a hammer, and I have most of our boys' party. Say, Name, I am a dominant me as a babac now, and Yama echo ye. Mede as then Adama, Name said, Wamasi and Yama echo ye, Emma team.
Next game, heartful. I'm gonna go home, so I'm sure some of the players will show and share. Can't get the guy that has a foot. Then I'll be catch but opportunity for
though has a big team there by match no and match be a tension. Am I sending a year for match after match no? Sunday befa has game no. And yes, Yene has every bontina, the pressure be out to your David. Your farm match, each match after match.
Questions for Baba, right? Your name